Hello students, welcome back to the YouTube channel of St. Wilfred College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Panvel. In today's video, we will see one question on a conversion oblique sale of partnership firm into a limited company. We will see the question. Sadhana, Sunidhi and Shreya are a partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. These are the three partners, Sadhana, Sunidhi and Shreya. These three partners sharing their profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. The balance sheet of the firm as on 31st March 2018 is as below. Balance sheet is given. Capital balance of Sadhana is 70,000, Sunidhi 50,000, Shreya 60,000 is given. Creditors 45,000, bills payable 7,000, reserve fund 10,000 is given. Next is asset side, land and building, machinery, investment, bills receivable, debtor, stock, cash and bank balance is given. Next, further information. The business of a firm was taken over by new company, that is Rhythm Private Limited. The partnership firm take over by the company and the name of company is Rhythm Private Limited. On the basis of following condition, they take over the partnership firm. Revalued assets, machinery 80,000, stock 12,000 and land and building 1,60,000. Cash, bank and investment not to be taken over, means new company not taken over the cash balance and investment. Other assets and liabilities whose revised value is not given, that assets and liabilities to be considered at the book value. The company agreed to pay 40,000 as a goodwill. Company agreed to pay 40,000 as a goodwill. The company issued 20,000 equity shares of 10 each to be distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. After calculating purchase consideration, the amount of purchase consideration should be given to the partners. Out of that, 20,000 equity shares of 10 each distribute the equity shares and remaining amount should paid in cash. Partners sold the investment at rupees 10,000. The investment which is not taken over by new firm, that investment sold by the partners in a new firm, in a market. See, revised value of machinery is given. Next is stock is given. And next is land and building is given. Machinery, land and building. Investment is not taken over by new company, so investment sold in the market. Bills receivable, no any revised value is given on the bills receivable, so bills book value as it is book value write down for the bills receivable. Debtors as so book value. Cash and bank balance were not taken over by the new firm. Other assets and liabilities means bills receivable, debtors, creditors and bills payable should be write down as it is their book value. Prepare the books in the firm, prepare the accounts in the books of firm. Which account should prepare? First is realization account, second is partners capital account, next is cash oblique bank account and new company account. And here purchase consideration is discharged through the by issuing the equity share. So prepare the equity shares account in the books of new company. Okay, which first prepare the calculation of purchase consideration. Next is ledger account in the books of firm. First is realization account. Next is partners capital account. Then is cash oblique bank account. Next is new company account, that is Rhythm Private Limited. And purchase consideration is discharged in a form of equity shares and remaining paid in cash. So equity shares in new company account. Clear? This account should prepare. Let's start the solution. First, we will solve the purchase consideration. First, A. A is what? Assets at agreed value. Assets at agreed value. Assets at agreed value. See, which asset taken over by the assets taken over at agreed value? You can write like this: assets taken over at agreed value. Which assets taken over by company? See, machinery is taken over, so write down machinery How much the price of machinery? 80,000. Next, what is taken over by a company? Land and building. Land and building. Land and building. How much the price of land and building? 1,60,000. Next is debtors. Investment were not taken over by new firm. So debtors, no revised value of debtor is given. So write down as it is 15,000. Next is bills receivable. Bills receivable, no revised value of bills receivable is given. So bills receivable as it is, write down book value 5,200. Next, stock. Revised value of stock is given 12,000. So write down 12,000. Next is goodwill. New company gives the goodwill. So goodwill, how much the amount of goodwill? Goodwill is 40,000 rupees. Clear? See in the question, land and building for rupees 1,60,000, machinery for rupees 80,000. Investment were not taken over by new firm, so new company. So don't write down the investment. Bills receivable, no revised value of bills receivable is given, so as it is 5,200. Also debtors revised value is not given, so as it is 15,000. Stock revised value is given for rupees 12,000. Cash and bank balance were not taken over by new company, so don't write down the cash and bank balance. Okay, now goodwill. Next is goodwill. Agree to pay the goodwill. New company agreed to pay goodwill, so write down the goodwill 40,000 rupees. So do the total assets. Total assets. Do the total assets is 3,12,200. Next is liabilities. B, liabilities. Liabilities taken over at agreed value. Liabilities taken over at agreed value. Which liability is? Only external liability, that is creditors. How much the amount of creditors? No revised value of creditor is given, so write down as it is 45,000. And next is bills payable. Bills payable, no revised value of bills payable is given, so write down as it is 7,000. Okay, and then total liabilities. Total liabilities. Total liabilities. How much the amount of total liabilities? 52,000. And next is C. C is what? C is purchase consideration. Purchase consideration. How to calculate the purchase consideration? A minus B. A minus B. So 3,12,200 minus 52,000. That is 2,60,200. 2,60,200. Clear? How to calculate the purchase consideration? In last lesson, also we study how to calculate the purchase consideration. Same as calculate the purchase consideration, all the assets at agreed value. Investment were not taken over by new firm, so don't write down the investment. Cash and bank balance is also not taken over by new company, so don't write down the cash and bank balance. Next is the assets whose revised value is not given, that asset write down as it is book value. And liabilities, which liabilities? Only write down the external liabilities, then purchase consideration. Now next, write down discharge of purchase consideration. Discharge of purchase consideration. Discharge of purchase consideration. See, for the discharge of purchase consideration, what information is given? The company issued 20,000 rupees. 20,000 equity shares of 10 each distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio, and remaining amount paid in cash. Now see here, discharge of purchase consideration. For discharge of purchase consideration, company paid 20,000 equity shares to the firm. So equity shares. How much the equity shares paid to the firm? 20,000 equity shares at rupees 10. It means How much? 2 lakh rupees. 2 lakh rupees, right? And remaining amount. How much the remaining amount? Remaining amount paid in cash. See, total amount of purchase consideration is 2,60,200. 2 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees paid by issuing equity shares. Remaining amount, that is 60,200 paid in cash. Clear? This is known as discharge of purchase consideration. Clear? This is what? This is a discharge of purchase consideration. 20,000 rupees paid in equity shares and remaining amount paid in cash to the firm. New company paid the amount of purchase consideration in a forms of equity shares and in forms of cash to the firm. Clear? Now, realization account. See, what is the first journal entry? See in the question. See in the last video I explained. First journal entry is asset transfer. So do first entry, asset transfer. What is the entry of asset transfer? What is journal entry? Realization account debit to various assets. So write down realization account debit side to assets. Write down which assets are given in the question. Write down all that assets. See which asset is given in the question: land and building, machinery, investment, bill receivable, debtors, and stock. As it is book value, write down. Write down all the assets: land and building, land and building, land and building. How much the amount of land and building? As it is book value to 1,28,000. Next is to machinery. To machinery. How much the amount of machinery? 60,000. Next is to investment. To investment. How much the amount of investment? 12,000. Next is to bills receivable. To bills receivable. How much the amount of bills receivable? 5,200. Next is to debtors. To debtors. How much the amount of debtors? 15,000. As it is book value, asset transfer. Next is to stock. How much the amount of stock? 9,000. Clear? First entry is asset transfer. Which is the second entry? See, what is the second entry? Fictitious asset transfer. But in this question, no any fictitious asset is given. So, don't pass the entry. Next, third entry. What is the third entry? Third entry is liability transfer. Which liability? Only outsider liability. So, entry is liabilities account debit to realization. Means realization account credit side by liabilities. Which liabilities are given? Creditors. Creditors. How much the amount of creditors? 45,000. Next is by bills payable. By bills payable. How much the amount of bills payable? 7,000. Clear? Now, fourth entry. See, what is the fourth entry? Fourth journal entry, accumulated losses. But also in this question, no any accumulated losses are given. So, leave this entry. Next is purchase consideration due. What is the entry? XYZ company account debit. Here, what is the name of our company? Rhythm Limited. To realization. Means realization account credit side by new company. By new company. In bracket, write down PC. How much the amount of PC? 2,60,200. Corresponding effect in a new company account. Corresponding effect in a new company account to realization. To realization in bracket PC. How much the amount of PC? 2,60,200. Clear? Entry? Now, next entry. See, what is the next journal entry? Purchase consideration received. How the purchase consideration received? Purchase consideration received in forms of equity shares and in forms of cash, right? So, what is the entry? Cash account debit, equity shares account debit. to company account. So write down in company account credit side. In company account credit side, what the company paid, how to company paid the purchase consideration, issue in equity shares. Equity shares. How much the equity shares company give? 2 lakh rupees equity shares are given. And next is remaining amount paid in cash oblique bank. How much the amount? 60,200 paid in cash. Corresponding effect in a equity shares account. Corresponding effect to new company. To new company. How much the amount? 2 lakh. And corresponding effect in a cash oblique bank account. First two balance brought down. And next is to new company. To new company. To new company. How much the amount? 60,200. And balance brought down. Amount write down of balance brought down of cash account is 12,800. So write down here 12,800. Clear? Also brought down the amount of capital also by balance brought down. By balance brought down. Sadhana, how much the amount of Sadhana? 70,000. Sunidhi, 50,000. Shreya, 60,000. Clear? Clear this entry? Purchase consideration received. The firm received the purchase consideration from the company in forms of equity shares and in forms of cash. Okay. Next is assets sold. Which assets sold in the market? See in the adjustment. Which assets sold in the market? The partners sold investment of rupees 10,000. Assets sold. What is the entry of assets sold? Cash account debit to realization. When we are sold the assets, then cash comes in. So cash account debit to realization means realization account credit side by cash oblique bank in bracket write down investment. In bracket write down investment. How much the amount of investment? Investment sold for rupees 10,000. So amount is 10,000. Corresponding effect in cash and bank account to realization. To realization in bracket investment. In bracket investment amount is 10,000 rupees. Clear? Now next entry. See the next journal entry. Liabilities paid in cash. No any assets taken over by partners. No any asset taken over by partner. So don't do this entry. Next is no any liability paid in cash. Also next is no any takeover by partner. No any liabilities taken over by partner. Next is expenses paid. No any expenses paid by the firms. Clear? Next is fund. Reserve fund is given. So that reserve fund should distribute among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. By reserve fund, distribute the reserve fund in their profit sharing ratio. How much the reserve fund are given? Reserve fund of rupees 10,000. Distribute among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. How much the profit sharing ratio? 5:3:2. So distribute the amount in profit sharing ratio, that is 5,000, 3,000 and 2,000. Clear? Clear all the journal entries. Now close the realization account. Now close the realization account. Do the total of realization account. Total of realization account is 3,22,200. Total of realization account is 3,22,200. And difference is 93,000 distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. to profit distribute among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Sadhana, Sunidhi, and Shreya. Okay, how much the amount of profit? 93,000. 93,000 distribute among the partners in their profit sharing ratio, and profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. So distribute the amount in profit sharing ratio. So Sadhana will get 46,500. Sunidhi will get 27,900, and Shreya will get 18,600 rupees profit. Now corresponding effect in partners capital account. Corresponding effect in partners capital account by profit, by realization profit, by realization profit. How much realization profit of Sadhana is 46,500, Sunidhi 27,900, and Shreya 18,600. Now here one entry is missing, that is equity shares. Equity shares of a new company distribute among the partners. Equity shares distribute among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. See here. See here. Payment of purchase consideration distribute among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. See. Any profit will get distribute among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. That is 2 equity share capital in new company. 2 equity share capital in new company. In new company. In new company. Distribute among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. How much the equity share? 2 lakh rupees. So 2 lakh rupees distribute between their profit sharing ratio, that is 1 lakh. Next is 60,000 and next is 40,000. So to do corresponding effects in equity share capital account. Corresponding effect in equity share capital account, in equity shares in new company account by Sadhana's capital 1 lakh rupees. Next is by Sunidhi's Sunidhi's capital account. Sunidhi's capital is 60,000, and by Shreya's capital 40,000 rupees. Clear? Okay. The equity share which is received from the new company distribute among the partners. Now close the partners capital account. Now close the partners capital account. Do the total of partners capital account. Total of partners capital account is, so Sadhana 1,21,500. Next is Sunidhi 80,900. Next is Shreya 80,600. Same total write down credit side also. Sadhana 1,21,500. Sunidhi 80,900 and next is Shreya 80,600. Clear? Now this difference transfer to the cash account, cash oblique bank account. Okay, so difference of Sadhana is 21,500, Sunidhi 20,900 and Shreya 40,600. Clear? Now this profit, this difference transfer to cash account by Sadhana Capital, 21,500 by Sunidhi Capital, 20,900 and by Shreya Capital, 40,600. Now do the total of cash account. Now do the total of cash account. Cash account will tally. Cash account will tally 83,000. Cash account will tally 83,000. So also close the new company account. New company account will also tally 20,000, 2,60,200, 2,60,200. Now equity shares account. Equity share account is also tally 2 lakh rupees. Clear? 2 lakh rupees. Okay. All of you understood this question? See, again, I explaining. Listen carefully. First, all of you know how to calculate the purchase consideration. Assets minus liabilities. Assets taken over at agreed price. The assets which are not taken over, then that asset should not be considered in purchase should not be taken in a purchase consideration. All the liabilities means external liabilities. Then discharge of purchase consideration means firm received the amount of purchase consideration in forms of equity shares and in forms of cash. Next is realization account. First is asset transfer. Next is liabilities transfer. Next is purchase consideration. Next is asset investment sold. Next is reserve fund should be distributed among the partners. Next is in cash account, balance brought down. Next is investment sold. Next is amount of cash paid in cash. Amount of consideration is paid in cash. Then equity shares. Equity shares were received 2 lakh rupees from the new company. So new company account debit, new company account credit to the equity shares in new company account debit means received the equity shares and cash. So, and after that, close all the accounts. Close all the accounts. Then your problem will tally. Okay. I hope all of you will understood this lecture very well. And the same how to calculate the balance sheet we will see in the next lecture. Okay. Thank you.